What's up, everybody? It's your pal Billy with Altcoin Buzz. Bizarre scene of what appeared to be a Beijing office of some type of affiliation with Tron. There's a logical explanation for this. This is not FUD. Altcoin Buzz had tweeted out that Tron is known by the name Wavefield in China, but a Ponzi-like Wavefield super community also traded on that name and claimed associations with the popular platform to draw in thousands of protesters. Justin Sun tweeted out that Tron Foundation and BitTorrent is fine. Everything is fine. We are preparing for BitTorrent speed launch today. Stop spreading fake news and pictures. All right, and this from ccn.com. Tron headquarters swarmed by police and protesters in wake of Justin Sun's scam claims. Tron officials say police were called to remove angry protesters from the Beijing office. So that's the explanation and some of the context for that video we saw at the beginning of this video. Those police were there because there were so many protesters outside of these Tron offices, apparently confused. So video footage had emerged of police surrounding the office of Tron headquarters in Beijing as the fallout from the recent $30 million Wavefield scam continues. Initial rumors suggested authorities were raiding Tron's offices following allegations of Tron founder Justin Sun's alleged culpability in the scam. However, that notion was quickly dismissed by Sun, and a Tron spokesperson claimed that police had been called to quell a protest by the victims of the aforementioned scam. And just to add to that drama, there was a well alert that showed $23.5 million worth of TRX being moved from unknown wallets. At the time, the TRX price dropped about 5%. It's since recovered. We'll talk about that in just a second. But yeah, this was pretty bizarre. I do like that there has been a pretty logical explanation. Apparently, there was another Ponzi scheme out there that went by the translation of Wavefield in China, which apparently Tron has a similar translation with. So let's take a look at Tron's market cap for the day. Tron is just about even on the day in US dollar value, down about 2.9% in Bitcoin value, with a market cap of $2.2 billion, ranked number 11. Let's take a look at the entire crypto market cap. Bitcoin, $11,863, up about 3.2% on the day with a $211 billion market cap. The entire crypto market cap is at $336 billion. Ethereum just even on the day at $306. XRP just about even as well, just under 40 cents for XRP. Litecoin trading at $120 and Bitcoin Cash at $410. Bitcoin dominance just under 63%. Let's check out some of the large movers for the day. TikTok with $2.8 million worth of volume is up 257% on the day. Citex token, $1.5 million worth of volume, up 136% today. And then you can see a whole bunch of low volume tokens here. Dexter G, $15 million, just under $16 million worth of volume, up 81.9%. If you're a DXG fan out there, let us know in the comments what your project's about. That's a lot of volume. So we got some big gainers today. Be careful out there with some of those low volume coins. If you've been enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing that bell, and liking this video. Let's take a look at the news for the day. DigiByte announces major chain update. DGB is updating its mining algorithm to a new one, which is called Autocrypt. DGB will be more secure and will benefit from fair mining. This is from Robert at Altcoin Buzz. The Autocrypt algorithm will allow for everyone to mine DGB without the need for ASIC hardware. Autocrypt is also more secure because it changes itself every 10 days, thus preventing a 51% attack. According to its founder, DigiByte also initially forked to create 5 mining algorithms, but only worked for a while until ASICs caught up. All right, Tate had said it worked for a while, but since the ASICs have been developed sometimes in secret for all 5 current DigiByte mining algorithms. The update will also prevent the creation of dedicated mining hardware, making DGB a fairly mined coin. In other words, big ASIC mining pools will be kept at bay. DigiByte down about 1.5% today on US dollar value, 5% in Bitcoin value, ranked number 60 with a $151 million market cap. Altcoin Buzz sat down and interviewed Stakenet's platform manager, Shahab Behzadi. Stakenet is the first trustless interchain economy. They're combining Lightning Network and master nodes into a trustless cross-chain platform with a Lightning DEX that allows one to operate with any blockchain simply by using XSN. We're going to have this linked in the description so you can check out the entire Q&A. I wanted to read you a few that I found really interesting. Question, can you give us a quick overview of what Stakenet is and what it is trying to accomplish? So Stakenet, which has the ticker XSN, is an open source project with a decentralized governance and funding mechanism. This encourages the creation of different independent companies and organizations that work in the Stakenet network. We have a software team headed up by the X9 developers who take care of all the blockchain aspects of Stakenet. Next, we have our cloud team, which runs Stakenet.io and the Stakenet cloud services. Finally, we have our hardware division who are building crypto-related hardware devices. At Stakenet, our end goal is to build an interchain economy by connecting all the various blockchain projects together through one seamless interface that is easy to use by everyone at any level of experience. Many projects are building incredible things, but they are all on their own little islands. At Stakenet, we aren't in the business of building isolated islands. Instead, we build the bridges to link them all together. All right, last question I wanted to cover was, you are doing a lot of work on Lightning Network. What benefits will Stakenet bring to this space? We have always believed Lightning Network to be crucial for Bitcoin and others as a scaling solution to allow cryptocurrencies to be used as a day-to-day currency. Since the start, our focus has been building this tech out as a means to solving many problems within the industry. We have been able to make many advancements to Lightning Network, and because of how we designed XSN, from the beginning with masternodes, it allows us to do things previously not possible on the Lightning Network. You might have heard recently about one of the troubles with Lightning Network is finding a way to reward people for providing the much needed watchtower services, and one of the ideas being floated around was to create a new token specifically to reward them, which didn't seem like a very popular option. With XSN, we have this issue solved by default with our master nodes, as when they are Lightning nodes, they can double up as watchtowers too. So not only will they get their standard block rewards, but also the Lightning fees they make from traffic flowing through their nodes. Also, by utilizing masternode collateral to fund the Lightning channels, this gives us a huge amount of liquidity on the network to be able to process all the traffic. These advancements not only benefit XSN, but also Bitcoin, Litecoin, and any other asset that uses Lightning Network, as they can all be supported by our nodes. This also allows us to use our own developed Lightning swap technology, which allows instant asset conversion over to LN. This tech is the foundation on which our DEX is being built on. All right, so really interesting interview there. Stakenet is at an $8.7 million market cap, down slightly on the day, really just about even. Ranked number 332nd. Stakenet doing a lot with Lightning Network. We'll keep you all updated on their progress. All right, Electroneum fans, hang tight as Electroneum still continues to do maintenance for their mainnet. Electroneum tweeted out, "We are almost there, everybody. All our services, transfers, and transactions will be ready to go live tomorrow by 5 p.m. as scheduled. Once we are live, exchanges will follow." That was tweeted yesterday. Okay, so that linked in the Twitter feed right there brings you to this software update from Sabrina. Exchanges have been asked to reopen. App-based wallet systems reopened. Update to a revolutionary blockchain in full progress. Hi everyone. This is notice of the first of our software updates that will help to unlock a fantastic second half to 2019, including improved speed and functionality at exchanges. Important. We have asked the exchanges to stop ETN deposits and withdrawals from Friday evening to Monday morning. It is important that you do not try to send ETN to an exchange from Friday the 5th of July to Monday the 8th of July. Your transfer won't be recognized while the exchange wallets are down for maintenance. Additionally, our mobile wallet app will go into maintenance mode over the weekend, which will include the instant payment systems being offline. All right, so be careful out there. Make sure that you are following the Electroneum Twitter account for any updates regarding their mainnet upgrades and their mainnet maintenance. Electroneum is up 9.5% on US dollar value for the day. Bitcoin value up 5.7%, ranked 103 with a $57.7 million market cap. All right, everybody, if there's a project that you know of that has an interesting product and has a coin that has an interesting use case that we haven't covered here recently, let us know in the comments section. We want to hear from you. If you've been enjoying these episodes, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing that bell, liking this video, sharing it on Twitter, and checking us out on Instagram. It's your pal Billy with Altcoin Buzz. Until next time, peace.